In this video, you will learn how to find the maximum value in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have found the maximum values in rows as well as in column. For example, if I select this row shows the sale of John Smith during 6 months, and I want to find the month in which the sale was maximum. You can see here the maximum value is 14,000. It means that the maximum sale was in April. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Similarly, here you can see here the average sale of all salesmen during particular months, and I want to find that salesman which has sales maximum goods. Currently you can see here maximum value is 21,000. It means that the Peter White has sold maximum units. So let's start this tutorial. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, we will calculate the maximum value in rows, and I am interested to find the maximum value in this rows for John Smith. Firstly, select the cell where you want to display the data. You can see here I have selected this cell. I want to display the maximum value in this cell. After doing that, go to Home tab, and in Home tab you will find the option of this summation sign. Click this down arrow and you will find the option of max. Click on this. Now you can see here Excel has automatically select these cells, and you can also customize this cell according to your requirement. For example, if I click here, you can see here only this cell is selected, and if I drag it to remaining cells, remaining cell will be selected. After selecting all cells from where you want to calculate the maximum value, close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see here the maximum value from our selected data is 14,000. Excel has successfully calculated this value. Similarly, you can calculate this value in rows as well. For example, if I select this cell, go to Home tab, and from this option I will again select maximum. Now you can see here Excel has automatically calculated all cells, but we don't want to select this blank cell. Click on this cell, and after dragging option you can select particular cells. After selecting that, press enter, and Excel has automatically calculated the values. Similarly, if you want to change the values later on, Excel will automatically update values. For example, if I change it to 22,000 and press enter, now you can see here Excel has automatically updated the maximum values. And another useful option is that you don't need to calculate the maximum values for individual cells or for individual columns or rows. Excel will automatically calculate these one. For example, if I want to calculate the maximum values of remaining rows, I will select that particular cell where I have already applied the formula. After that, place your cursor in corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down for remaining rows. Now you can see here Excel has automatically calculated the maximum values for remaining rows. You can also apply similar trick for columns as well. Select this one. When plus sign appears, drag it to remaining cells, and Excel will automatically calculate the maximum values for remaining columns. So by doing so, you can easily calculate the maximum values in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.